Hello there. We've seen some record-breaking March high temperatures across parts of Europe. It was still very hot for some of us into the 1st of April as well. But a change of month, a change in weather type as we head through the first few days of April. Colder air is now moving its way in from the north across much of Europe. Where it does meet that milder air, we've got some scattered heavy showers, so outbreaks of rain, mountain snow too across parts of Italy and across the Balkans as well. It's still relatively warm and dry though across Turkey into Greece as well. Temperatures in Athens around 22 degrees on Saturday. There's the outbreaks of rain that you can see for the Balkans into Italy and also across Portugal and Spain. Some scattered showers. Could be some Saharan dust coming out with some of those showers. We've had quite dusty conditions over recent days. Cooler than it has been recently for France, the UK, into Denmark as well. But many places looking dry with high pressure not far away. So moving through Sunday, and again we've got further downpours across parts of the Balkans for the likes of Ukraine, Romania, down into northern parts of Greece as well. Some wet weather there. Quite a lot of dry but cooler weather through Central Europe as we look forward into next week. So for London and for Paris then, temperatures on the dip, particularly from around Monday onwards, looking largely dry for Madrid and also for Rome in the outlook too. Some heavy showers in Berlin from Monday, and it's looking dry in Athens. Bye-bye. Hello there. Over the past week or so, we've seen some low temperatures for much of North Africa with some fairly strong gusty winds coming in from the north. We've still got this breeze that's pushing across parts of Egypt down towards Niger, Chad, Sudan as well, but not quite as blustery as it has been, and temperatures not quite as cool for the likes of Cairo. So turning a little less cold across the Sahara than it has been recently. A bit further south, some heavy showers through the likes of Angola towards southern Tanzania and Mozambique as well, and a few showers around the Eastern Cape in South Africa as well. But Cape Town is looking dry, and in fact over the next 5 days or so those temperatures will start to creep up as we head on into next week. Perhaps a bit of rain in Johannesburg from around about Tuesday onwards. Meanwhile, Khartoum is hot and dry with temperatures in the high 30s. Kinshasa could see a few showers interrupting those spells of sunshine at times. Now, across the Middle East, then, recent showers across the Levant are tending to fade away. We'll still see some scattered downpours across the mountains in Iran. Temperatures still on the warm side as we look through southern parts of Saudi Arabia towards Oman as well. It was very hot here towards the end of March. So the heat continues further south. The Shamal breeze will be picking up through the day, though, across the Persian Gulf. Muscat looking dry and sunny, but turning a little bit cooler as we look into next week. Bye for now. Hello, thanks for joining me for this look at the weather across Central America and South America too. And from the satellite image we can see this area of shower cloud that's been affecting central and southern parts of Argentina. That's now clearing away towards the east. So a drier spell of weather for parts of Argentina and Chile too. And in fact temperatures here are going to be on the rise for the next couple of days. Further north across the continent, and we've got plenty of heavy showers as we'd expect for the time of year, but quite persistent rain across parts of Colombia, Bolivia, Peru as well, and some scattered showers across the Amazon basin down towards parts of eastern Brazil that have been quite dry recently. Most of those showers to the south of Salvador on Friday. A dry spell of weather for Rio de Janeiro, and it stays settled across Uruguay towards Buenos Aires too. Temperatures above average for central parts of Argentina, but still unsettled down across Patagonia. Here's the outlook then, and there'll be some rain arriving in Rio de Janeiro by about Tuesday. Buenos Aires will see those temperatures on the rise throughout the next 5 days. Across southern Mexico, some scattered showers close to the Bay of Campeche, also down towards Honduras, Guatemala as well, seeing some showery rain. And across the Caribbean, we've got the tail end of a cold front bringing some outbreaks of rain to eastern Cuba and Jamaica as well. That rain will tend to ease away, so it's a drier outlook for Havana, for Kingston, with some sunshine too for San Salvador and for San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello, we've got some much quieter weather on the cards across much of North America compared to the severe storms we had to start the week in the likes of Nashville, for instance. But for now, we've got high pressure holding on across many eastern states. There is an area of low pressure that's developed and it's drifting its way across central and northern parts of Canada. Quite a lot of isobars on the map, so some breezy conditions here. High pressure holding on in the east, but with the winds rotating around that, it is going to be quite chilly for the northeastern states into eastern parts of Canada as well. Low pressure clearing out into the Atlantic here. So a lot of dry weather, but we have got another area of low pressure moving in to British Columbia. So that is bringing a bit of rain, some snow over the mountains, relatively cool here through the day on Friday. But further south, it's staying largely dry down across much of Washington State, Oregon, down towards California as well. So over the next couple of days, then the outlook in the west, most places looking dry and settled, but there will be some rain spreading towards Seattle during the course of Sunday. Meanwhile, let's take a look further east, and it's a cold feeling day for Montreal and for New York during the course of Friday. Temperatures below average, a late season frost around here, and actually as we head further south, a relatively cool spell of weather, but looking dry and settled with some sunshine down across Georgia and into Florida as well. After that colder spell of weather, temperatures in the east will rise through the course of the Easter weekend. Bye-bye. Hello there. The pre-monsoon heat in India is building across both the northwest of the country and in the east as well over the next few days. So some high temperatures around. We've also had some fog patches around in the north as well, but quite a bit of dry weather on the cards. The satellite image shows very little in the way of cloud around. So moving through Friday night and on into Saturday, then largely dry, settled conditions. We have got just one or two showers up towards the far northeast for the likes of Assam, Bhutan as well, but most places looking dry and settled. Temperatures of around 40 degrees for the likes of Nagpur, also towards Karachi. Things are a little bit warmer than they have been recently. Still fairly chilly for central Kazakhstan, but further south it's warming up over the next few days for Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan as well. A few scattered showers moving in from the Caspian Sea here, but dry and warm across southern Pakistan and down the west coast of India too. Things are looking sunny and dry. Just an isolated chance of a shower down towards Mali through the day, but drier than it has been across Sri Lanka. A few of those showers cropping up as things warm up in the afternoon across northern parts of Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Bangladesh, but they are few and far between. Mumbai sees the dry weather continuing over the next 5 days or so. Could be a few showers in Islamabad as we look towards the middle part of next week. Heavy showers in Tashkent through Sunday and Monday, but it looks drier from Tuesday onwards. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've had some particularly warm weather recently across Japan and early cherry blossom across many areas as well, but there is some wet weather on the way. Meanwhile, further south, shower cloud across parts of Indonesia, Malaysia too, and we are set to see showers continuing to be quite heavy across this part of the world. But let's push further north then. Here is the rain that's sitting across the Korean peninsula on Saturday. That will spread into central Japan later on in the weekend. Still 19 degrees in Tokyo, 18 in Beijing. Towards the south though, pretty warm weather for the likes of Taipei and Hong Kong as well, with temperatures above average here. A few scattered heavy downpours across parts of Vietnam and Thailand, but heavier, more persistent showers for the Malay Peninsula and particularly for Sumatra and Java too. Osaka will see that rain arriving by the time we get to Sunday. Beijing looking warm and dry over the next 5 days or so. Now across Australia, a lot of dry weather. The warmth that we've seen recently across Western Australia is shifting eastwards, so temperatures on the rise for parts of South Australia, also Victoria, Tasmania as well. Some heavy showers though around the coast of Queensland and the potential for a tropical cyclone to form off the north coast of Western Australia. Meanwhile, across the Tasman Sea, high pressure keeping things mostly dry and settled across both islands of New Zealand on Saturday. There will be some rain working into the south though on Sunday. Some downpours in Sydney likely as we head towards the middle of next week. Bye for now.